welcome to another answer to another question. The question is, what should I include in my business writer's portfolio? And I found this very interesting because I had a business writing portfolio in the past. And thinking back, here are some minimum number of documents that I would have in such a portfolio. The first thing is press release, because the PR sheet, press release sheet, is the most basic entry-level kind of writing, business writing you can do. So it forces you, a good press release, to summarize a key idea or product and how to get down to the basic facts fast with the maximum economy of words. You learn how to organize your facts, how to compose the press release in a limited amount of space, usually between 300 and 500 words. So it's very good practice, and you should be able to demonstrate that you can handle at least that kind of basic writing. Second piece is a lot more sophisticated, and it would be a market trend analysis. For example, right now, driverless cars and trucks are hot. And so I would research the topic first off to show that I know how to make a research. And I would look into the past and future of robotics, AI, artificial intelligence, and how all this may affect the economy, social trends, social events, even politics of the future. So this would also display your powers to convince the reader about what your main message is about a major market trend. A third piece I would include would be about leadership and management, inspirational leadership. Why? Because it's so important for any business, any product, any service. Businesses without the leadership, they fall apart. If possible, I would present a before and after picture of a certain product, company, sector. What happens when an inspirational leader takes the helm, and the kind of difference that makes. For example, Apple, before Steve Jobs and after Steve Jobs. Just an example that popped to my mind would be a good example to include in such a piece. And lastly, I would throw in something in between a technical document and a business document, because the business world is awash in documents of that kind, describing how to do something. For example, an SOP, Standard Operating Procedure Manual. Businesses have tons of SOP manuals. So to show that you know how to handle such a technical manual, how to write in logical, linear, procedural steps would be a huge plus for your future as a business writer. So there you have it. And here's my fork, here's my bell. See you in the next video. Take good care.